we're going to talk about something really special: how to say the right words to win her heart. Now, whether you're talking to someone you like, or trying to impress someone special, knowing the right things to say can make a huge difference. So, let's dive right in. 1. Be honest and genuine. The first step in winning her heart with your words is to be honest. If you're trying to impress someone, it might be tempting to say what you think they want to hear. But here's the thing: people can tell when you're not being real. It's important to be genuine. When you say something that comes from the heart, it shows her who you truly are. You don't need to use fancy words or try to sound like someone else. Just speak your truth. For example, if you like her, just say it. You can say something like, "I really enjoy spending time with you, and I feel a special connection with you." Simple, right? It's honest and sweet, and it shows your true feelings. 2. Compliment her, but keep it real. Compliments are a great way to make her feel appreciated. But don't just give random compliments. Focus on what makes her unique. Compliment her personality, her intelligence, or the way she makes you feel. For instance, instead of saying, "You're really pretty," try saying, "I love how kind and thoughtful you are." It's so rare to meet someone who cares as much as you do. This kind of compliment goes beyond looks and shows that you admire her as a person. Remember, the key is to make the compliment feel personal. Don't just say what you think sounds nice, say what you truly believe about her. 3. Show interest in what she loves. One of the most powerful ways to win her heart with your words is to show that you care about her interests. Ask her about the things she loves, and listen carefully when she talks about them. When you ask questions like, "What do you enjoy doing in your free time?" or "What's something that makes you happy?" it shows her that you're interested in her as a person, not just as someone you're trying to impress. The best way to build a deeper connection is to learn about the things she's passionate about. If she talks about a hobby or a cause she cares about, show that you value it. For example, you can say, "I think it's amazing how much effort you put into helping others." It really shows how big your heart is. This kind of support is powerful and meaningful. 4. Be supportive and encouraging. Women love it when someone believes in them, so always be supportive. If she's going through something difficult, or if she's chasing a big goal, offer your encouragement. Tell her you believe in her and that she's capable of amazing things. For example, if she's working hard on something, you could say, "I'm really proud of everything you're doing. I know you'll succeed because you've got the determination and strength to make it happen." These kinds of words can mean the world to her, showing that you believe in her abilities and care about her success. 5. Use humor, but keep it light. Humor is a great way to lighten the mood and make her feel comfortable. Making her laugh shows that you don't take yourself too seriously and that you're fun to be around. But remember, humor should always be lighthearted and respectful. You can joke around, tease a little, or share a funny story from your day. For example, you could say, "I'm pretty sure I'm the best at making coffee, but I'll let you be the judge of that." This shows you're fun and confident, but not over the top. The key is to keep the humor kind and genuine. Don't make her the butt of the joke, and avoid anything that could come across as hurtful or rude. 6. Be attentive and listen. Another important part of saying the right words is listening. When she talks, really pay attention to what she's saying. Show her that her words matter to you. After she speaks, you can say something like, "Wow, that's really interesting. I love hearing about your thoughts on this," or "That must have been a tough situation. I'm here for you if you ever want to talk more about it." When you listen carefully and respond thoughtfully, it makes her feel heard and valued. This is one of the most attractive qualities in a person, showing that you care about what she has to say. 7. Be patient and respectful. Sometimes, the best way to win her heart is by simply being patient. Don't rush things. If she's not ready to open up right away, or if she needs time to trust you, be respectful of that. You don't need to force things. Instead, say something like, "Take all the time you need. I'm here for you, whenever you're ready." Being patient shows that you respect her boundaries and that you care more about building a meaningful connection than rushing into anything. Conclusion. So, to win her heart with the right words, remember to be honest, compliment her genuinely, show interest in her passions, and be supportive and encouraging. Use humor to keep things light and always listen attentively. Most importantly, be patient and respectful of her boundaries. The right words are the ones that come from the heart, so don't be afraid to speak your truth and show her how much you care. If you liked this video and found it helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more tips on relationships. Drop a comment below and let me know what's the best compliment you've ever received. I'd love to hear from you.